This is Dansoy from Dansoy Cooking Network. Today I'm going to remake one of my mother's recipes. My mother cooked for my father and I and my sister for over 30 years. She was a good person, a good mother, and a good friend. She passed away April 30th last year, so it's almost a year. So I'm going to start recreating some of her meals. This was Mom's 5-minute farm fresh egg scramble. For this recipe, we have black pepper, parsley, and minced onions. We got 2 brown eggs. We got fire roasted tomatoes, canola spray for the pan, cheese, garlic, mushrooms, and scallions. We have both the green part and the white part. But she used to cook breakfast for us, and this was like her 5-minute quick egg scramble. So thanks, Mom. Miss you, love you, and let's get started. We'll just throw the canola spray on there, and we'll get started with this recipe. So we have the canola spray in there, and we have the stove on low. We're going to throw the garlic, the mushrooms, and the scallions in there just to get them started. Like I said, this is still only a couple minutes. So we have the garlic in there, the green and white scallion, and the mushrooms. We got the cheese for later, fire roasted tomatoes. We'll put the egg in there, but you're just going to want to stir this and get it going. Just warm it a little bit, brown it. Then we'll put the eggs in there and get going. Right now we can put some minced onion in there. We could put some parsley and black pepper. That's just to get it started. You can hear everything sizzling, so you're going to just want to cook this for maybe like a minute, and that's it. And then we'll throw the egg in there. So we have the egg in there and the other ingredients. Now we're just going to scramble this and put it together and then throw the rest of it together. We could have made this a fried egg, but she used to make this. So we have the egg in there going in the tomatoes. Now we're just going to mix everything. So that's all mixed together. We're going to let that go for like 30 seconds, and then we're going to add the cheese. So we're back. We got it on medium heat. We got the cheese in there. We're going to throw more minced onion in there, some more parsley, and some black pepper. And we're just going to mix that up. We're almost done. My mom used to make this for my father and I and my sister. She was from Polish descent and from Europe. She cooked for over 30 years. She has a lot of Polish recipes, but this is her quick egg scramble. So we're back. We're basically done. Mom was a great cook, a great friend. So we used to have this for dinner sometimes, for breakfast, or if we were hungry for lunch. But a scramble can never be wrong. You can eat it at any time. Thanks for visiting my channel. Thanks for taking this journey with me. Thanks for enjoying recipes from my mom. I miss her. Thanks for coming to my channel. Hit the bell for updates. New people, subscribe. And I love you. Talk to you soon. God bless.